friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will show you and tell you how to remove shorts from your YouTube channel very easily. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video and write your comments. So friends, let us follow you to our topic. And now I'm going to show you step by step. First of all, friends, please open the YouTube app on your device. After that, go to your page and scroll down a little bit. Here you will see an item called Your Videos. Click on it. This will list the videos that you have added to your YouTube channel. In order to find the Shorts video specifically, you will need to top select this section. This way, you will go specifically to the short videos. In order to delete any of these videos, you will need to click on the three dots against it and select Delete at the bottom. After that, the video will be deleted immediately. If you, friends, want to delete several such shorts videos from your YouTube channel at once, you will have to do it separately with each video because, unfortunately, there is no function where you can select several videos and then delete them all. This way you can quickly and easily delete shorts videos from YouTube. I hope you found this video useful and that it helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.